Good morning. Welcome to another vlog. Welcome, say welcome. Today I have a mess on the floor because I realized this morning when we woke up to our house being 65 degrees that winter is pretty much here. So I decided to take out the tub that has all the winter stuff, and what I'm trying to do is go through her clothes and take out all the summer stuff. Also taking out the stuff that doesn't fit her anymore. Huh, baby girl. So this is what I have so far. This pile is either summer clothes or clothes that doesn't fit her. I'll go through that last. This is clothes that I might put up. I'm not sure yet. It depends on the space. These are stuff that I definitely want to keep out. That are like sweaters, because at least if she doesn't have a long sleeve, like if she wears a short sleeve, I can still pair it with one of these. So we'll see how it goes, because this girl is so needy. Maybe she's hungry right now. Okay, we'll see what happens. So of course we had to take a break to have some breakfast. So Claire is starting to get hungry. I'm trying to teach Claire to have a variety of foods. Whatever I try to eat or drink, I try to make a version for her, a healthy version for her. So for this instance, I'm going to make an avocado smoothie using just soy milk. I used to sweeten mine up with honey, but I'm not going to do that. I want to go a little healthier route. To sweeten it up, I use some dates. I just put them in a bowl with water, and then I heat them up so that they can get soft. So I gave Claire, she has half an avocado with one date. And of course for me, I'm going to use an avocado. Pretty much a whole avocado. About a cup and a half to 2 cups of soy milk. Mine has 4 dates in it, and I'm gonna pour some matcha in there, about maybe a teaspoon. You like it? Yeah? Try it. I'm not sure she liked it. My turn. I like mine. Also got these Velveeta limited edition pumpkin spice. Oh yes. She approves. Eat your cookie. Eat your cookie. Your cookie. And then. She was supposed to go to sleep, but it is an hour past her nap. And she's just been there with the shoes. What are you doing? You found a sock? Yeah? Okay. Bring it to me. What? What was that? You tired finally? Most of the time, I find myself like multitasking throughout my day. Like I am doing laundry, and then I have to stop and have breakfast, and then I have to clean the bathroom. And today is Friday, and I know that I wanted to set myself up to have deep cleaning on the house at least like once a week, even though throughout the week I might do one task like vacuum. But on Fridays I wanted to kind of spend a little extra time getting to the things that I didn't get to do throughout the week. So, but right now I am doing laundry. I kind of have a mess again in the kitchen, and I have no clue where my daughter is. Okay, she left this on the floor. She's probably in the back room, which means she's up to no good. Claire. So, yeah. So now I'm back to this 2 hours later when I started this vlog. See how much progress I can do on this closet here. I really want to put some kind of lights in this closet because it's always dark. There's not a lot of great lighting in here. So far, I have on the very back like her PJs, the easy zip up ones, because the ones that you clip on the bottom are very tedious and she doesn't like those. So I'm keeping all the ones that are easy to just zip up. And then after that is all her jackets, and they are going from the smallest to biggest. Like say this is like 6 months, but it still fits her. These are like 3 to 6 months, then 9 months, and then 12 months. And that's how I have them. That's how I have most of her clothes set up. After that, it is like her big like church going clothes, like her dresses that she can still wear. I took out all the summery looking ones and all the like strapless one. I am gonna get her like long sleeve white onesie that she can wear underneath some of these, because these are only dresses that don't have any clips on the bottom. And then after that then becomes all the type of onesies that have clips on the bottom that can be paired with pants, and that's how it is. And then these here are the ones that are just t-shirts by themselves and or have like the pair, like this one has these come with like either their underwear or like their shorts looking one. But I can always pair them up with different bottoms, like jeans. And that's what I have so far. These are the pile that I'm gonna go through. These are like the summer ones that she already wore. Probably a lot of them don't fit her anymore. And then these is the ones that I'm gonna start putting up, because these are all long sleeve, warm, either onesies or dresses. so first of all, we got the floor cleaned up. I have the tubs of clothes that still fits her in here for next year. These are the clothes. These are the clothes that are left over that don't fit her anymore. I have to ask to see if one of my friends needs them. If not, I'll donate them to a shop, a thrift store or shop nearby. And this is what it looks like so far. We have like the shirts, long sleeve, then we have like the onesies, long sleeve and short sleeve, and then we have mostly the white ones with the white hanger. Mostly with the white hanger are the dresses, then the sweaters, and the very back the PJs, like I said. So that's what it looks like so far. And eventually I'll have to do my side, but worry about that later. One step at a time. One step at a time. This girl is tired, so I'm gonna say bye on this vlog, so I don't want it to be too long. So see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next vlog. Bye.